In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what you can do to close more deals, okay? And this is an amazing trick that's been used by copywriters for hundreds of years, okay? Hundreds, okay? And once you get a hold of this trick, you'll be able to close any deal that you want. You want it? Go ahead and click subscribe right now, and I'll give it to you right now, okay? Okay, guys, that was just a demo of this amazing trick called AIDA. So you're like, what is AIDA? Is that your girlfriend's name? No, no, no. Well, it could be, right? So it's AIDA, so AIDA. So what I want you to do is think of AIDA whenever you're writing an email or creating a sales page or pitching something, okay? I'll explain why. So what you do is AIDA. So A stands for attention. So how do you get people's attention? So it has to be a big, bold claim, a question. Hey Bob, do you want to feel better by doing this? So it has to be a big claim, okay? Number 2, interest. So you have to tell people an interesting fact, something. You have to get people's interest. I told you this trick has been used by hundreds of years, okay? That's a trick. Now, I got your interest, and then I did desire. So D is for desire. Desire is, hey, future pacing. So once you have access to this method, you'll be able to close more deals. So I gave you that future pacing, so once you get a hold of this tool, software, trick, you'll be able to do that, exactly that. That's the whole idea. And last action is telling people, hey, you gotta fill this out, you gotta buy this, you gotta do this, you gotta subscribe. So that's the whole idea. So it's called AIDA, 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 AIDA. Get it in your head. So whenever you're writing something, think of AIDA. Whenever you're creating a sales page, AIDA. So what I'll do on this video for you guys is I'm actually going to write a real email that I'll send out to my customers. Okay, let's go. So we got a product right here. It's a video course that I did. It's on how to make money from home, 40 ways. That's the whole course, right? Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and create an email directly by using AIDA. So what I usually do is whenever I have my, when I'm writing my email, I have AIDA on my mind. So attention, okay? Attention. So attention, it could be a headline or question. So usually asking a big question or giving a bold claim usually works. So the question could be, let's say, do you wish you had 40 income source in this pandemic? That's right. FORTY, 40. I'm gonna format it later, of course, but you get the idea. 40, okay? Then that's my attention. So if I said, hey, do you want 40 income source in this pandemic? That's right, 40. I got your attention right now. My next job is to actually come up with an interest. I gotta tell you an interesting fact about this product now. So okay, cool. So I usually, whenever I do these trainings, I'm charging people a lot of money. So I'm gonna say these are the exact 40 methods that my clients pay me thousands of dollars, okay? Something like that. Dollars to learn, something like that, okay? Of course, I'll improve it later. So I told them an interesting fact. Hey, I charge a lot for this, okay? I tell them that. Now, I might add on, like, I am pretty much offering these to you for pennies on dollar. So this interest part is where's the body of your email. So you got to tell more information. For the sake of demo, I'm just going to do these so you get the idea. So I got to tell you an interesting fact, okay? Now, desire. This is where I make you believe that, hey, once you get access to these things, you're going to be amazing. You'll make lots of money. That's my goal right here. So what I'm going to tell you is even if you picked up two ways out of these 40 methods, you should be able to make a comfortable living from your home. So you get the idea. So I'm future pacing you, telling you that, hey, if you get a hold of these, you can have a comfortable life. So I'm pretty much telling you what's gonna happen if you get access to this, okay? Now your call to action could be, hey, click on this little link to find out more, or things like that. So in my case, I'm gonna say, see these 40 methods now. Okay, and I put a link right here, or I put in, click these links. I pretty much tell people what to do. So I might say, click the link below to find out what these 40 methods are. So it could be it. So tell people to take an action that's gonna, make them do something, buy something, sign up, subscribe. You get the idea, right? So you'll have to tell people what to do. Okay. Now, of course, this is going to be a shorter copy of an email, but you get the idea, right? So you know where to start from. So of course, your attention, you got it. So you have to get people's attention. So even on your sales pages, right? So for example, let me go ahead and give you an example. Let me see if I can find it right here. I'm trying to find a sales page that I can show you. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and put it right here. So this is a tool that allows people to, it's a software, right? So I want to show it to you that it can be used for pretty much everything. So I'm telling people, hey, are you tired of customers lowballing you and not trusting you? That's a big attention. So I'm targeting it to freelancers. So that's an attention getter. Not anymore with the magical powers of dial. I'm like, what? Right? You got that. So after that, I get people in the interest. So I future pace people. I tell people facts. Okay. See? It's the same method, and at the end, of course, I tell people to take an action. Of course, this middle part, the interest part, is where most of your body will be. That's where you tell people an interesting fact about, or two or three about your product, service. Now, if all you're trying to do is get people on your landing page should do all that job. So what I do personally when I'm sending out emails is my emails are very short. My goal is to, of course, with the subject line, make sure people open up their email, and with my content, I want to make sure people actually click on that link. Now, I do the convincing part, most of it on my landing page, okay? But at the end of the email, you want people to be able to click on that link. It has to be, you have to take people by the hand, okay? So when they open up their email, they look at your subject line, right? Now, when they read your email, they got an idea. They want to know more. So they click on your link and boom, they are on your landing page. So you get the idea. So you can use AIDA method for pretty much everything. Let's say writing, Craigslist copy or Facebook Marketplace or whatever you're doing. Try implementing AIDA in your work. Like what I want you guys to do is put AIDA on a piece of sticky paper and put it on your computer like this, okay? And then you'll see that once you start seeing it every day, it's gonna be, automatic. You won't have to think about it. So these days, I'm doing AIDA, but I don't specifically have to think attention, interest. It's automatic, and that's gonna happen to you after you write like 5 or 6 copies. You should be fine. So hey, I hope you learned something today, and on the description, I'll go ahead and put the template up as well for free. Download it right now, and make sure to subscribe to this channel if you want more of copywriting, sales, marketing, webinar. You get the idea. So let's go ahead and subscribe right now. Thank you so much. Have a blessed day.